Joseph Horgan MLA is a Canadian politician who has served as the 36th and current Premier of British Columbia since 2017. He has been leader of the British Columbia New Democratic Party since 2014 and the member of the Legislative Assembly for the constituency of Langford-Juan de Fuca and its predecessors since 2005. Horgan was born and raised in Victoria, British Columbia. In June 2006, he was appointed the official opposition critic for the Ministry of Energy and Mines in New Democrat leader Carol James' shadow cabinet, having previously served as the official opposition critic for the Ministry of Education. In January 2011, he announced his candidacy for leadership of the BC NDP in the 2011 leadership election, finishing third. Following the leadership election, he was appointed the official opposition critic for Energy and opposition House leader. He was replaced by Bruce Ralston as opposition House leader following his entry into the 2014 leadership election. On March 17, 2014, he announced his candidacy in the 2014 leadership election with the slogan "Real Leadership." Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.